Rosie.
Ouch, ouch, Jacqui.
Well, it's because you're playing. Kitty thinks you're playing. You gotta go slower. Okay, it's time to go, girls.
Hey, I just want to play.
I know you just want to play, but we gotta go. We got a long drive ahead of us.
Yeah, I just want to play with the kitties. Oh, he needs to play. Here, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Whoa. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. I'm going to do this to Mama Kitty. Fix it.
Okay, girls. Time's up. We gotta go now. Come on.
Bye.
Say bye to the kitties. Say bye to the kitty cats. They're gonna miss you.
Goodbye.
Say until next time. All right, Jackster, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get you buckled in. Come on, Sophie. Time. We have to go. We've overstayed. We need to get going. Yeah, you're going to miss them, aren't you?
We're never going to miss that kitty.
Come on, Sophie. That's our way home. Come on. You're back out of the car seat?
Sorry.
Come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Bye.
Sophie, come on. I know, but Fluffy's gone right now, so we gotta go.
Say bye to the little kitty.
No, we gotta go.
Just one?
Nope, nope, nope. We have to go.
I'm gonna say bye.
Come on, get in your seat. Please.
Bye.